Guys, as we expected, the last 48 hours since my last video was quite interesting for Bitcoin. We saw a massive correction to the downside to the $31,000 level. And yes, I announced in my last video that if that is going to happen and we break below the old low point, I would close my long scalp position for now. I also closed that long scalp position. We definitely made a loss on that trade. I'm completely transparent with all my trades as always. There's nothing else I can do. I'm always sharing them up front with you. So this trade we sadly had to realize a little bit of a loss just because I already closed that scalp long. I will tell you exactly why I closed that, why I haven't opened a short hedge position yet, and why I am also probably remaining on the sidelines for the next 24 to 48 hours with any new trades and positions. As always, guys, if you enjoy the content, make sure to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below, and also smash up the like button. And for everyone out there celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas to you, to everyone else. I hope you have amazing holidays during this Christmas time. And besides that, guys, as last year as well, I am giving away $500 in today's video to someone that is just commenting their USDT ERC20 address below. This is all you have to do. As soon as this is done, I will select a winner in my next upcoming video with a random comment picker live in the video, and I will send him the 500 USDT as a small Christmas present. And guys, I got inspired to do that by Levex because Levex is giving away, and now guys, take a seat, is giving away 50 free long short positions worth $1,000. And all you have to do to secure your position there is to be one of the next 1,000 people that signs up with my affiliate link on Levex down below. You are supporting me by that. You get 20% reduced fees right from the start because I went down by my affiliate commission quite a lot. So you have an instant 20% feedback. And on top of that, as you know, Levex has their VIP program and so on, where you can get up to 100% reduced fees if you are actively trading through Levex and ranking up step by step. You're gaining rewards on the way, and especially the free long short position. If you are one of the lucky 50 people to get it, you will have it here, $1,000 free long short position that you can claim either long or short and into any trading pair you want. So yeah, Merry Christmas from me and also from Levex. And yeah, I almost forgot to do a small Christmas giveaway. Luckily, Levex wanted to give away these 50 free long short positions worth $1,000, which is in total, by the way, $50,000 in free positions, which is absolutely insane. But it is Christmas, so I also decided to also put $500 on top for everyone watching the video. And probably, guys, I have to be honest, I think the team is overestimating a little bit how many people would sign up the Levex team if I do a video. So I assume that not even 1,000 people will sign up. I probably think that it's going to be 100, 200, 300 at a maximum. So 50 people of those, 100 or 200, then every second person is actually getting one, or every fourth person is getting one. So you don't even need to be really lucky, I think, because the probability that 1,000 people sign up is very low. But now let's talk about the charts. As always, Merry Christmas. I hope you win the $500. I hope you win a free long short position as a nice and a beautiful start then also into the next year. But now, first of all, let's talk about the charts. Because as you know, yes, we are still very careful since Bitcoin is right now in its rising broadening wedge. We still have a bullish price target above us for now for the bulls, which is the $48,000 level where the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is. But on the smaller timeframes, you quickly realize that Bitcoin is actually just trading very weirdly, let's say it like that. I mean, we can see that we had a bullish pattern, right? We had the next important resistance at the $48,000 level. We had a beautiful falling wedge. We had the beautiful on-chain statistic that a lot of Bitcoin are being moved at the current price levels. So theoretically, you could have said, okay, there's a lot of buying interest, although there's selling happening in the market visible on-chain. We have a price target of $48,000, so a price target way above us. We have a bullish continuation pattern. We will reach that price target with no problem. We opened our scalp long and then we started chopping sideways. And I already told you this sideways movement is not looking all too great. This is not really looking like any kind of continuation of this uptrend. If we correct below our old low point here of the $43,580 level, this is the level I mentioned to you in my last video. If we close below that, I will close my scalp long position for now. This is for me a too dangerous trading zone, just because we also formed a bearish chart pattern that got confirmed to the downside. Our breakdown target would here actually be the $41,000, right? The low point of our rising wedge. On top, we have here our downward sloping past resistance that now turned into support of our big falling wedge. So the $41,000 level would have been a very, very reasonable price target to reach. But also this, as we can already see, Bitcoin is not really looking to reach that price target quickly. So this means the bulls and the bears are still fighting at the current price levels. And for me, I really have to say, we don't really have significant support above us. We are not directly below the $48,000 level. We don't have significant resistance above us. And Bitcoin is just trading sideways without hitting any price targets, either long or short. I will step away from the market for a moment. I will probably only open up my next trade within the next 48 hours once the market makes it more clear in which direction it wants to move. For the moment, I don't want to trade here this chopping area where we just pretty much don't reach any price targets. We just go down, we go up, we go down, we go up. These are the areas where you can lose the most money if you're not careful, and especially it's not worth it for me to already be positioned now in a short or to already be positioned in a long, because me personally, I expect that there will be more chopping within the next 24 to 48 hours. So during that time, the whole chart could completely change, and then I would be maybe now in a long position and I would need to switch it in 48 hours anyways back to a short or even close it, and then I just paid unnecessary fees, and I was exposed in a position with some risk without actually knowing where the price will go. So this doesn't really make sense to me. I know, guys, the last scalp long position sadly was not a big success. Now we lost definitely a lot of margin on, a lot is maybe a little bit over exaggerated. I mean, we lost $2,000 in margin, which is not really a lot for my trades, but still it's not so nice. But as you know, I'm always also sharing my losses with you, not only my profitable trades, because I always announce my trades up front, so you always anyways know exactly what's happening. Same goes with my Solana trade, for example. I did yesterday, I opened the Solana short at the $114 level or $115 level, which was almost the exact top. I shared that trade directly with you here on Levex as well. The trade was very successful. Solana dumped a few percent to the downside. We realized a little bit of profit at the downside, and then before I went to bed, I also shared that with you here on Levex. I placed my Solana short stop loss in a profit below the $114 level. So when the price went up again on Sol, we actually closed that trade again in a profit. So we made some nice profits here on the Solana trade. Not a lot, but at least it compensates a little bit for the losses we actually endured on our long scalp position for now, that I definitely didn't want to have in the market for now anymore. I rather keep the margin on the sideline, add a little bit of margin to Levex, and open a new position when things are a little bit more clear. I will update you about that for sure also in my next video. As soon as I'm going to open a trade, I will share it in my free Discord community. I will share it here in my Levex post section. So make sure you sign up on Levex with my affiliate link, because then you gain access also here to my exclusive content, where you can view my trades live on my profile, where you get instant updates from me here on my trades directly through the trading platform, because I can directly share here my derivatives trades, where you can see my entry, the leverage, and so on, the quantity. So it's highly beneficial. And on top of that, you have the VIP program, you have the 20% reduced fees if you are signing up with my link in the video description, which I'm providing to you by going down with my affiliate commission. You have the VIP system that is not resetting actually every single month, but where you can keep your volume each and every trade you're doing. It's going to add up over time. It's not being reset. Actually, every trader has a fair chance to reach a high VIP level, to reach high feebacks, and to have the same benefits as everyone else. So it's quite fair. Just bigger traders with more volume will reach the VIP levels, the fee reduction and stuff for sure a lot quicker. But for now, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will update you immediately if I decide to open any new trade. But for now, as I already said, the next 24 to 48 hours might be a little bit boring for me trading wise. The only thing that I could imagine is if this 4-hourly candle somehow gets sold down below here, this price level of the $43,400 level of this slightly broadening wedge, and then we close a 4-hourly candle below our old low point, yes, maybe I will open another short scalp position, maybe. But I will update you on that anyways, right? So you will not miss that if you are a little bit cautious with what I'm posting and also with when I'm uploading videos. So make sure you're subscribed. make sure you activated the bell so you don't miss out on anything. Leave a comment down below with your USDT ERC20 address so you can win the $500 that I'm giving away here to Christmas. And on top, make sure to sign up on Levex with my link in the video description. Be one of the 50 people receiving a free $1,000 free long short position here for Christmas, as well as a surprise. Although everyone can participate, even if you're not celebrating Christmas, you can still get a nice prize here for the upcoming year, maybe a nice free short or long trade that will be successful in the next year. So make sure you make use of that, guys. As said, link is in the video description. But now we're going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.